سلام دوستان عزیز، به آسمانی کلاسروم شما را خوش آمدید میگم. در این ویدیو قرار است که جملات بسیار مهم را به خاطر فعالیت های روزمره یاد بگیریم. با تشکر و سپاس از تمام شما دوستان عزیز که کامنت میمانین، ویدیو را لایک میکنین. یک جهان ممنون و سپاس. پس بیاین که ویدیو را شروع بکنیم. Let's get started. I mean that. منظور می است یا میگیم که مقصد می است یا هدف می است. یعنی میخواستیم ما یک چیز بگیم، هدف مزی گپ مثلا یک چیز بود. از این جمله وقت استفاده میکنیم که شما میخواین منظورتان را برای کس توضیح بدین. یک کس حرف شما نمیفهمه، میخواین بیشتر برش توضیح بدین. میگین که I mean that منظور می بود یا هدف می بود. I mean that. I mean that. I mean that. نمی شود گفت. Can't say. Can't say. Can't say. چای سرد میشه. Tea is getting cold. Tea is getting cold. Tea is getting cold. او اصلاً خوش نیست. She's not happy at all. She is not happy at all. She is not happy at all. من اصلاً خوشم نیامد. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. به هیچ صورت نه. Not at all. Not at all. وقتی رو یک موضوع بسیار میخواین تاکید بکنین، پس کلمه at all را در پلویش اضافه میکنین. نه در تمام جملات بلکه در بعضی جملات. Not at all. به این صورت نه. یعنی قطعا نه. قیمتی چند است؟ How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? قیمت آن چقدر است یا قیمت از او میگیم چقدر است. How much is that? That اشاره به یک شی دورتر میکنه. How much is that? How much is that? قیمت این یکی چقدر است. How much is this one? How much is this one? How much is this one? آب مایه حیات است. Water is life. Water is life. Water is life. آیا تو شنیدی؟ Did you hear? Did you hear? Did you hear? آیا تو شنیدی؟ طبق معمول. As usual. As usual. As usual. بشویش یا تمیزش کن. Wash it. Wash it. Wash it. و اینجا تمرکز کن. Focus here. Focus here. Focus here. از این طرف بیا. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. مردم چی خواهد گفت؟ What will people say? What will people say? What will people say? فکرت کجاست؟ Where is your attention? Where is your attention? Where is your attention? ناوقت نکن. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. چقدر باید بپردازم؟ How much to pay? How much to pay? How much to pay? قیمت این موبایل چقدر است؟ How much is this mobile? How much is this mobile? How much is this mobile? قیمت این ساعت چند است؟ How much is this watch? How much is this watch? How much is this watch? چیزی که میخواستی بپرس. Ask what you wanted to. Ask what you wanted to. Ask what you wanted to. اینجا بگذارش. Keep it here. Keep it here. Keep it here. او همشکل یا همچهره توست. He resemble you. He resemble you. He resemble you. مستقل باش یا به خودت متکی باش. Be independent. Be independent. Be independent. به دیگران متکی نباش. Don't depend on others. Don't depend on others. Don't depend on others. ای کاش من یک موتر داشتم. I wish I had a car. I wish آرزو میکنم. I had که داشتم a car یک موتر. I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. حتی دیوارا هم گوش داره. Even walls have ears. Even walls have ears. Even walls have ears. او عاشق تو است یا او دیوانه تو است. He is crazy for you. He is crazy for you. He is crazy for you. از کجا بدست آوردی؟ Where did you get this? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? اجازه بده یک سوال بپرسم. Let me ask a question. Let me ask a question. Let me ask a question. سقوط میکنی یا پایین مفتی. You will fall. You will fall. You will fall. غذا آماده است. Food is ready. Food is ready. Food is ready. بیا و بخور. Come and eat. Come and eat. Come and eat. بده به من. Give me. Give me. Give me. برایم اجازه بده. Allow me. Allow me. Allow me. قرآن را تلاوت کن. Recite the Quran. Recite the Quran. Recite the Quran. بیش از حد غذا نخور یا بیش از اندازه غذا نخور. Don't overeat. Don't overeat. Don't overeat. داخل نرو. Don't go in. Don't go in. Don't go in. دوباره انجامش نده. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. ولی من فراموش کردم. But I forgot. But I forgot. But I forgot. من به اندازه کافی تحمل کردم. I've had enough. I've had enough. وقتی که حوصله‌تان سر میره دیگه نمیتونین حرف کسی تحمل بکنین. I've had enough. من به اندازه کافی تحمل کردم. دیگه نمیتونم تحمل بکنم. I've had enough. به هر حال تشکر. Thank you anyway. Thank you anyway. Thank you anyway.